Come test drive the 2013 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, roof rails, tire pressure monitoring system, fog lights, retractable cargo cover, 5-piece automatic transmission with overdrive, body color door handles, compact spare tire, brake assist, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, security system, cruise control, XM satellite radio, cargo area light, child-proof rear door locks, leather-wrapped steering wheel, map lights, floor mats. Come take a test drive today.